What is up everybody on YouTube? It is your man Alberto here with another video, and today's video is going to be on the Jordan 11 Varsity Reds or Cherry Reds or Cherries, whatever you want to call them, white and red. They are red, or they have red and white. And it's a cool colorway, it's a clean colorway, nice and simple. The red obviously is very traditional. The Bulls, do I need to explain it? I don't think so, you should know. But for those who come to my channel who do not know, the Bulls, Michael Jordan was on the Bulls, and that was red, black, and white, so now you know. But anyways, today's video is going to be the on feet and the review portion of this video. If you guys want to see a how to style video, that's going to be coming here shortly in the next few days, so definitely subscribe down below and check that out. When it is released, I will also link it up in the ad cards and down in the description for you guys as well. But anyways, today we are going to go over the details of the sneaker, and then we're going to do the on feet of the sneaker like I said. Starting off with the box, it comes with the new Jordan 11 box, nothing special. But removing the shoes from the box is always a good feeling. So here it is up close in all its glory. It's shining with that patent leather, and it's super clean with that white upper. So they come with white rope laces to match. Underneath on the outsole we have the icy blue soles, and keep in mind, make sure not to wear these in the rain or the mud, or that will destroy the icy blue soles a lot quicker. As well, with the white Jumpman logo underneath, it also has the red pods in the front and back. On the inside of the foot, you can see the carbon fiber in red. Your midsole is white, while your middle portion will be the patent leather in the varsity red color, and the uppers will be the white with additional cherry red detailing, such as the embroidered Jumpman logo on the side and the heel tab, which has the 23 in white. Your sock lining is going to be the same varsity red as well. But back to the box, this is the newer Jordan 11 box as mentioned earlier. Here is the size tag. I went with my true size, a size 9.5, and here is the bottom of the box. Retail on this shoe was $225 and also released in grade school and kid sizes as well. And really quickly guys, if you want to see some cool flicks of this sneaker, definitely check out my Instagram at YoManAlberto, and here's a couple previews, more photos to come on the way for this sneaker, so definitely check it out. But anyways, back to the video. Now as far as sizing on the shoe, I recommend going your true size, so I went for a 9.5, that is my true size. You could go down half a size if you'd like, but I would not go up half a size at all. And if you're wearing any sneaker creaser or protector, then definitely go your true size, and you might be able to get away going up half a size. But truly, going your true size is the best way to go. If you want to see other Jordan 11 videos that I have on my channel, I will put them in the ad card above and below with links in the description. So now that the review's over, let's get into the on feet. Okay guys, coming back from the on feet, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, like I said, please give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful, informative, if you like the way it was made, the style, all of that, just everything combined. So like I said, definitely give this video a thumbs up because it does help me get this video out to other viewers and get my channel to actually grow, so that's very much appreciated. And if you're new here, definitely stick around and subscribe, as we do have the how to style video coming up here shortly, and we have a bunch of other videos on the way. So you don't want to miss that guys, good high quality content here just for you. Once again, follow my Instagram, YoManAlberto, dope flicks, you'll see some more. I always like to post there, and some little interactive polls and questions and blah 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 blah, you know. Keep it fun, so check that out. But that's gonna do it for me guys, I got nothing else to say, so stay fresh and stay fly, I'm out.